Welcome to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel where we show you some of the best properties in Medellin, and we're gonna show you one of the best ones. This one is in Provenza. This is a short-term rental approved property, 2 blocks from all of the nightlife, the restaurants, the cafes. I'm gonna show you on the map exactly where this is after this walkthrough. As we walk through this one, you can see that this first level here has like an area where you could put a dining table, but he has his office there, his desk. You've got this balcony overlooking Provenza over there in the back here. And this is the first bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It's 108 square meters, so it's over 1,000 square feet. And it's been completely remodeled. This building is over 20 years old, but this has recently been remodeled. As you can see, the finishes are beautiful. They didn't cheap out on things. It looks great. And this is the first bedroom here, and you can see it has a queen size bed here, moderate sized bedroom, perfect for a rental. If you have, like, let's say 2 people renting this on Airbnb for the weekend, for a week, for a month, even for a year, it's perfect. We're gonna go into the master bedroom here. The master bedroom is big enough for a king size bed. As you can see, both bedrooms do have air conditioning. This one has a little balcony in the back over here, but this is where they have the condenser for the air conditioning. And we're gonna go back to take a look at the in-suite bathroom. This one does have its own bathroom. And again, very similar to the other bathroom. They kept it consistent, kept it nice. I don't know why. I like those black toilets. They just did a good job of matching the color with the tile and the wood floor, the wood grain on the sink there underneath. We're gonna go back out over here. So this is kind of like a 2-level, 2-bedroom here. As we go to the second level, you've got the living area, you've got the big screen TV there on the left, and you've got an air conditioning unit here. As we turn around here, you're gonna see the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. I love this big countertop. With the bar stools. If you have guests over, you could eat there. I think you could put a dining table over there where he has his desk, but if you didn't want to, you have, a dining area there. You've got a dishwasher down there. That door leads into a little storage room. This door leads into the laundry area where you've got the stackable washer dryer, a little sink, and some storage room there. You've got the oven there, the microwave, and the fridge here on this side. And a lot of storage space underneath this big countertop here. This is the road behind. You're basically 2 blocks up from Provenza, so you're walking distance. I'm gonna show you on the map where this is located here. But I do love this one. This is perfect for someone that wants to rent it out, get a quick return on investment. All right, we're here at our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, at the listing page. As we scroll down, you see that the listing price is in pesos. This will never change here. The only thing that will change is the US dollars, depending on the exchange rate. Right now, it's at $276,031. And as we scroll down, you get to see all of the information here, including the HOA fee, which is $104 per month, all of the stats here. And if we scroll all the way down, we see the map. And as you can see, this is Calle 10. This is Provenza area right here, Calle 36 or 36, or sorry, Carrera 36, which is 36th, and Provenza's right here in this area. This is Parque Lleras. Down here, you've got Parque del Poblado. For more context, let's go to Google Maps. Okay, so here's Google Maps. We'll scroll in, and this should look a lot more familiar because here's Parque Lleras. This is Calle 10. As you come up, this is Provenza area here. So you are basically 1, 2, 3 big blocks away if you walk up Calle 10 to the building. What most people do is they walk down this hill. Like, let's say you're staying here, you walk down this little hill, and right here you've got all the great restaurants like Botánico, El Correo, which is the steakhouse, Walk House, Relato, and a bunch of new ones too. And then there's also a hotel being put up. I think it's a hotel or an Airbnb building. Regardless, this is a daily rental apartment, so you can do short-term rental if you want. It's been approved. So this is a great purchase for someone that wants something for return on investment purposes, or if you just want somewhere to live that's like right here in the mix of everything. That being said, if you like this one, you want to go see it, or maybe you want something completely different, or maybe you found something on someone else's website, but you want us to help you, we can. All you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out our form. Somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.